The traveling cable crown decreases. So you've just finished your body to the specific length that you need, and you have finished with an odd round. You are now ready to begin the crown decreases. So the crown decreases with the traveling cable hat are worked on these knit stitches that are around this cable, this traveling cable. So this traveling cable is going to continue into our decreases. We're not going to decrease this until the very end. So in order to do that, we need stitches that are not part of our decrease that we can use to move this traveling cable over as we work our crown. So you are on now the setup round. The setup round is the round that we are going to change our end of round marker. So each size is different, and each size is explained in the pattern. And so for this size, I'm doing adult small, and my setup round is I need to do a knit two together because I need to decrease some of these stitches so that I have the right amount of stitches for my decreases. Knit two together, and then I'm going to knit to 5 stitches before this cable marker. And so first off, I'm going to drop my end of round marker because I'm changing the end of round. And then I'm going to knit 2 stitches together, and then I'm going to work to 5 stitches. So let's see, a few more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 more. Okay, so this is where my new end of round is going to be. So all my decreased crown stitches are now together, and then I'm going to knit to my marker, and then I'm going to drop my marker. So now we have a new end of round, and then on our setup round still we need to work across our cable stitches. We're not crossing them over, we're just going to work them as they are. And then some sizes, once you reach the end of your cable here, some sizes also still need to do a few decreases to get the right amount of stitches. And so you'll work that back to your end of round. And then once you have reached that, then you are ready to start the decreases. And this is all explained in the pattern. Bearing in mind that this slant pattern is going to continue as you have been working it. So if you're confused, you can go back to the round that you left off, that you left at in the body section, and the cable section will continue as it does in the body. And you will just continue that until you get to the end of your crown, and then you'll do your decrease round, and then you're ready to close up your hat. So good luck.